How to get soul guitar on Blox fruits. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to open up your game and you would require level 2300, otherwise you won't be able to achieve it. So after achieving the 2300 level, you will just have to pray at the gravestone at the night during full moon, and after that you need to kill 6 living zombies at the same time. After that you need to solve the graveyard sign puzzle, and after solving that particular puzzle you will have to enter the main castle. And after solving the graveyard sign puzzle you will have to enter the main castle and go to the room on the right hand side of the stairs with the ghost in that particular room. And after that, when you talk to the ghost, the screen will turn black. Now after talking, just go to the garden, and it is between the main castle and the room where the soul reaper spawns. There you would be able to see different trophies. Simply memorize that particular trophy order, or you can also take the screenshot. After that you need to go into the electrical room underneath the haunted castle. After that you need to turn left and you need to go to the circuits. Over there you need to enter the code according to the trophy order that we just saw. So if the trophy was left to right, then the code will be horizontal. In such a way, just simply arrange this particular code, and after it is done, just look at the tiles in the room and follow the color pattern, and the pattern will be from right to left. After that, for the first 2 boxes there will be no color, and in the third one just put red, fourth one blue, and sixth one green, 8th red, and 10th will be blue. And this way you would be able to solve this particular puzzle, and this way you would be able to access a machine. It is a different kind of machine. Just simply go there and you would be able to craft soul guitar, but you would require 500 bones, 250 ectoplasm, 1 dark fragment, and 5000 fragments, and using that you would be able to craft the soul guitar. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.